Hello there friends, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll show you how to record phone calls on Android phones. If you've ever wanted to save important conversations for future reference, this simple method will help you do it in a few minutes. Open the call app. This is the main app you normally use to make or receive calls. Next, see the corner of the screen and tap on the More option, usually shown as 3 dots. A small menu will appear. Now, select Settings to open the Call Settings page. Once you're inside the Settings menu, see the option called Call Recording or Record Calls. Tap on it to open the call recording settings. On the next page, you will see the option Auto Call Recording or Record Calls Automatically. Tap on it to access the recording preferences. Now turn on the toggle switch to enable automatic call recording. After enabling it, you may see several recording options such as recording unknown numbers, selected contacts, or all calls. To record every phone conversation automatically, choose the All Calls option. Once this setting is enabled, your Android phone will automatically record incoming and outgoing calls. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel for more simple Android tips and helpful tech guides.